What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be discussing the resale predictions and basically the investment insights of the Nike Dunk Low in the Community Gardens colorway. Now this one is a colorway that I'm really excited about, so without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Now this sneaker is going to be releasing worldwide on September the 10th for a retail price of 100 USD or around 150 Australian dollars. And what really stands out with the sneaker is the really nice print on the shoe, on the upper. Basically what you have over there is you have a recycled canvas upper with like dyed colors inside of it. You know, you got some really nice floral details as well. It's a pretty nice retro colorway of the Nike Dunk Low, so that's really appealing to more of the new sneakerheads, whilst also appealing to the older OG sneakerheads as well. Basically with this colorway, I really predict that this one's going to do super well. Like, I'm just getting straight into the resale predictions over here, because this one is currently reselling for a price of about it's going for around 700 to 800 Australian dollars, give or take. This is pre-sale prices, so I know Australia already had its sneakers drop. The worldwide release date is going to be September the 10th, so we still got a couple days to wait out on that. But yeah, I would love to see how the market responds to this, because obviously Australians haven't had their pairs in hand yet. These are definitely going to be high in demand. They give me sort of like the Travis Scott Nike SB vibes, so maybe people might think that this is like a cheaper alternative to that, just because of like the canvas and all of that, like the dyed materials. These definitely have the details all sorted, and you'll have no problem selling these to any OG collector, SB Dunk collectors, because Nike SB Dunks have been hitting it big in 2020, and I don't expect them to stop anytime soon. So this is definitely one Nike SB Dunk that you should probably be putting your money towards, even though there is a high buy-in price if you do choose to pay resale, because I doubt that you can get 20 pairs for retail. If you did, that would be freaking amazing. But these, if they're currently reselling for around 700 to 800 Australian dollars, I do think that when the market starts settling down, these will be at a price of about 700 Australian dollars or about like 600 American dollars. But definitely these won't have that high increase at the time of the drop, but I do see influencers like Travis Scott rocking these, or into some sort of a concert or something. But yeah, these are definitely a type of sneaker that Travis Scott would wear. Like, it's really got those funky tones, and I really think that people will dig it just like him. And yeah, these will definitely go with a ton of fits, like a ton of vintage fits, retro fits, so it's super wearable. So people will definitely wear these for personals and not just keep them on ice. They will actually wear these and value them. So these will appeal to resellers, collectors, and people who just like Nike SB Dunks, sneakerheads, hypebeasts, whatever. So usually with Nike Dunk Lows, they usually sit at a price around 370 at the time of the drop, just like the Syracuse and the Kentuckys. So yeah, usually some of the sneakers, they sit at around 370 to 400, and then they make their jump. Whereas these ones, I think that they're gonna sit at a price of around 600 to 700 Australian dollars, and then have their constant rise up. They won't rise up significantly after the time of the drop. Give it like a couple months for the market to settle down, and then you'll see a gradual increase. So don't panic when you see people bricking the market at a price of around 500 Australian dollars. Just trust the process and wait it out. But yeah, definitely these are one to put your money towards. But I do think that this is going to be worth 800 to maybe even 1,000 Australian dollars going into next year. But if the Nike Dunk hype train keeps going up, so will the prices of the corresponding Nike Dunk Lows. It's just how it is. But yeah, definitely these are going to be one for the books, and you should definitely put your money towards it if you do have that capital. I would buy in at a price of about 700 bucks. I think that's pretty fair. But let me know down in the comment section below what you guys think about the sneaker. For me, it's definitely a hold. Don't be reselling these quickly just because these will go up. But yeah, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Make sure you leave them down in the comment section below. I'm really feeling the sneaker, and I'm sure a lot of you guys are feeling it too. Please remember to like and subscribe down below if you're new. That pretty much wraps up this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.